Sale deed and agreement to sell we will see. Then we will go for T and we will come back and mortgage and lease and license we will see. Okay? Done. First we will see the pro forma, how a sale deed will be there. What just now we discussed, operative part, non-operative part, all we are seeing in one deed of a sale, how sale deed we are writing. This anyway, this is only for knowledge purpose. It is not the sale deed, just a background. All of you know very well, fastly I will complete. When as an advocate, when you are preparing a sale deed, all of you listen. What is your responsibility? Read entire title deeds and linked documents. When Venugopal Rao sir selling to Satya sir, all of you listen. First I have to ask, Satya sir told me, Rao sir, Venugopal Rao sir selling to me, I want to purchase the property, can you prepare a sale deed? I am an advocate. What is my duty? First I have to ask, can you bring Venugopal Rao sir all, at least Xerox copy documents? Bring all the documents. I want to read it. Whether really Venugopal Rao sir is having a right, or his brother or his sister or his wife or his some other family members are having a right. I want to know it. First to read it. Don't immediately, come re Baba, I don't have cases. Come on, I will prepare very fastly. Spoil his right. Tomorrow he will purchase, but he is not having a right. For entire life the case will go on in the court. Civil case very fastly within 20-25 years they will settle. How many understood? My advocates won't accept. Correct or not? Civil case very fastly within 20-25 years they will settle. And most of the cases our family, our children will enter as the parties. You understood. Thank you. Right. Then we will go to the search inquiry in the register office. Whether this document still his name only there, or he has taken any loan, or his sister or brother or somebody have any charge, something, verify. Please remember, as an advocate, when you have to prepare a sale deed or something, your responsibility not only take one, okay, I have a computer or Srinivas Rao gave one pro forma, I will fill it. Don't fill it. First to read it, whether seller is having a right or not. Otherwise your buyer will suffer. Not ordinarily. Right. Then ask all the documents. Some questions ask. Advocate, okay, bring all documents. Questions you are having, I will tell you within 2 minutes. I want this one. Please tell me clarification. How many children your father had? Because you are telling you are by succession. Ni? How many children? Sir, 3 children, sir. Okay. But you are having only 2 shares. Ni? What about the third one? They gave no objection, sir. She is settled in USA, sir. My sister, she told no objection, sir. Where is the no objection? Bring. Because you 2 brothers only want to 50-50 you are saying. Ni? What about your sister? Because according to law, sister also having equal share. Ni? Yes, sir. Sister also having equal. Then, no, sir. She gave a no objection. Bring. Clarify everything, my dear friend. Simply he is telling you don't listen Bhagavad Gita, Quran and Bible. You understood? Clarifications required. That's why some of the clients will say, what re Baba, this advocate harassing me. He is not harassing you. Actually, he is protecting you. What you want is, the moment when you go, 500 rupees I will give the, my deed, my document, legal opinion. Oh, what a good advocate. Within 5 minutes he gave, I didn't even drink water also he gave but later that is not useful anything. Please remember, advocate's responsibility till you complete your profession. Remember, how a doctor purpose patient is important. Advocate purpose a client is important. That is the logic. Preparation, then prepare one draft. Sale deed you prepare. 2-3 times you read your sale deed. How many mistakes I did? Your sale deed only you read 3 times. Minimum. You will know that how many mistakes you did. Rectify. Thank God, now it is okay. That is the way how to prepare a sale deed. Right? Any deed, lease deed, mortgage deed, any deed. Because you are going, see how when doctor is doing operation, he will not left the things inside. You understood? Otherwise, Consumer Protection Act, doctor also comes under a consumer. We will go to the consumer forum. Sir, doctor operated, so many things he kept inside the stomach. In addition to my things, his things also there inside. Scissors or something. Finally, execution registration. Finally, hand over the possession. I told you this one. All 12 years you have to see. Search and inquire. You are asking how you are a owner and everything. Some documents you are asking. Yes. Very interesting one. Please listen. Simple one. Because only important points I am telling you. Remaining you can easily understand once you read it. I asked sir, how you are a owner? He told, I purchased from Satyaya sir. Very good. That is only 2 years back. He purchased 2 years back. Satyaya sir purchased it from that gentleman 2 years back. Or maybe 6 years back. I want that document also. That document is not there. Neither with him nor with him. That gentleman is not there. He went to along with his children abroad. Now I want linked document missing. Linked document missing. What to do? Newspaper advertisement you give. Because his sale deed is there. His sale deed is there. Now he want to sell to madam. But still, because 12 years I want to know it without any problem. Precautionary we are taking. When it is missing, what you will do, see. Advertising in newspaper first. Okay. That is not enough. Please try to understand, my dear friends. Those who are having a misconception. I will explain you, listen, what is the meaning. Some people will say, sir, I am purchasing from this madam. Before I am purchasing, I gave a newspaper or advertisement. I, Srinivas Rao, willing to, he is giving. My client Srinivas Rao purchasing a property from so and so madam for property situated in Jyoti Nagar so and so. If any person is having any objection, please inform me within 15 days. Otherwise, it was heard, he will write. In a newspaper, one advertisement. Over. In reality, this madam's brother, USA, who will read your Varta Sakshi? I hope you understood. Right? So, then that 15 days over, I purchased it. I purchased the property. I want to start construction. Immediately, brother came. COVID is not there. He came. Rao, my name is Rao, Srinivas Rao, no? Rao, wait, what are you doing? Constructing. How you are? With workers. That is my land. Your land? She sold. She is my sister. Acha. I gave advertisement. Which paper? England paper? England? Varta. Varta still is there. Some here and there, somewhere is there. Sakshi? Andhra Pradesh. Acha. You didn't read? No. But I gave. I am protected. Who told you, Ray? You gave just like a helmet you kept. Newspaper advertisement is not a protection for you. And maximum you can say you are a bona fide purchaser. Maximum. But you will not be protected 100%. That's why, listen now. I am coming to the point, listen. I will tell you later within 2 minutes what is the importance of an advertisement also within 2 minutes. Please listen. Then what happened? First we will give a local newspaper. We don't have a linked document with Krishna Prasad to Satyaya sir. If any person is having an objection, please inform. Number one. Number two, I will take indemnity bond from Satyaya sir and this person. What is indemnity? Tomorrow if any person comes and says, I have a right, you will be responsible, I will not take risk. Indemnity you give. Remember, my dear friends, before break I am telling you, if any linked document missing, ask the seller to give an indemnity. Tomorrow any problem comes, you are the responsible. Give the document. Newspaper advertisement and linked document. That is the indemnity bond. Otherwise, 12 years if it is not clear, don't purchase any property. If you purchase the property, be ready your entire life in the court only. Not only as an advocate, as a client also. Clear? Peaceful sleep now. Whatever the questions we are asking, they will give the answers. Finally, prepare the deed and everything. This is, you know very well. Like this, we will start. Anyway, friend, ready it is? Shall I give break? For them also, you are giving here only? They have to go out and they have to drink and come. Please, can you go and come then? Fastly, or shall I complete this? But it will become cool. 5 minutes only. Please go and come fast. Fast. Don't waste time. I am here only. I am not moving. Thank you. Okay, friends. Wow, voice increased. Right. A small clarification after I spoke to our senior advocate. Please see. Attestation means, all of you remember, please. Please listen. Only one word I will tell you about attestation once again. Only 1 minute, we will go for topic. Yeah. Okay. Attestation means, all of you remember, your ordinary attestation before your principal or before some government officer, a true copy attestation is different from, please remember my words, my dear students. Attestation, two types we are using the words. One attestation is your true copy attestation, means your principal, your gazetted officer attestation of a true copy attestation, correct? That is what, he is a witness of original document, it is a true copy of original, correct? That attestation is different. What attestation I am teaching is, two witnesses are witnesses for signature of the parties to the document, correct? I told you already, please listen. Mortgage, gift, compulsorily plus will. All of you remember, will, gift, mortgage, which I have not told you will. Just now our advocate sir has told me. Will compulsorily has to be registered. Why? Sorry, attested, I am sorry. I will tell you the difference between attestation and registration within 1 minute. Yeah. Attestation means two witnesses attested. Registration means before register office we are paying a registration fees, they will enter in the register, so and so transaction has taken place, public document that is. Attestation is we are witnesses, they have signed, that is the attestation. So, will also has to be attested compulsorily, two witnesses. Please remember. Okay, next point. Will registration is optional, not because, but I will tell you when we discussed during your tea time one interesting point. Why we have not, I am not justifying my mistake, but I am telling you, in Goa they have a Portuguese civil code, they have a uniform civil code. In India, article 44 only in Goa state we are having. Indian Constitution, Article 44, Uniform Civil Code, only in state of Goa. The reason is 500 years Portuguese people ruled. They have, whether you are a Hindu, Muslim or a Christian, your marriage system is same, your succession is same rule. Whereas in here, Hindu Succession Act, Muslim Succession, Christian Succession Act, Indian Succession Act. If different religion people marry, different caste people marry, something. In Portuguese, Goa, whether you are a Hindu or a Muslim, marriage same rules and regulations, divorce same rules and regulations, succession same rules and regulations. There, that Portuguese civil code I never studied. We used to give to some other faculty, local faculty, they used to study. We escaped from that will also, because will according to their family law. I hope you understood. That is the reason when sir asked immediately, I told him, I am sorry, will why I didn't enter, I don't dare in Goa will. I hope you understood. Clear? Because their succession I don't know in detail. Only one point I know. For them, husband and wife is 50-50 property right. The moment the husband tied the thali, whatever I have property 50-50, whatever her property 50-50. Here, if I tie also 100 sunya. How many understood? Very fastly, ladies are fast, huh? They will file a case against us. Right? Really. My property, her property only. Naga Chaitanya, Samantha. Right? So, okay friends. So, listen now. Will, gift, mortgage, attestation compulsory. Registration not compulsory in for us, but what sir told is, very good point, better to register, because the time when will we want to produce before the court, even witnesses also in photo. From where they will come? No email also, except in Yamalela. Right? I hope you are following me. Better if you register, at least one evidence will be there from the register office document. Witnesses' signature, when they die, no, God knows whether it is their signature or not. Of course, some of the senior advocates will tell nicely, their signatures of some other place and we tally with this signature and we will produce some evidence is there. But it is a little complicated. Clear? That's why better to registration. Anyway, my dear friends, thank you very much. Around 4:30 or 4:40, I will stop for your question and answers. Please. Right? Okay. Yeah, can you stop the light? Fastly we will go. Already we discussed the topic. I don't want to waste time. Sale deed. Okay. Sale deed I am showing you. But in this model I prepared actually for your just knowledge purpose. Only one only. Remaining all performance as usual you can see. Description of a deed. Right? That is the operative part consists of. Sorry. First, okay. Date and place and so and so, so and so and so and so and so. We have seen this. We already discussed this. This we already discussed in earlier slides. Yeah, come on. Sale deed. This deed of sale made at Karimnagar on 6th November 2021. Description of a deed. This deed of sale. Only for model purpose I am showing you. Fastly I will go. Between so and so name, address and everything known as date and place. Sorry, parties. Date and place here. Right? Here, Karimnagar, date and place is there. This deed of sale is a description. So all points are there. Parties, this is the parties. This and the other party I will show you. Clear, my dear friends? Because I need not waste my time. Is it clear? Right, thank you. The other party name. Once this second party name is over, the expression vendors and vendor. Because I will tell you why S came by mistake, and I will tell you. Yesterday when I am typing, I removed the wife name. Because in Goa, I told you just now, husband and wife 50-50. So if your husband wants to sell it, wife also has to be there. Clear? I removed wife because in Karimnagar. Don't misunderstand, my dear friends, please. Right? Because I have to go to my house. So what I am telling you, there 50-50 compulsory, both husband and wife compulsory. Lease agreement, any agreement. Husband means compulsory wife, wife means compulsory husband. Pannas means that is pachas we are calling, you know. In Konkani, pannas, 50-50. Biscuit na, share, right. Okay, so the expression vendors and purchaser shall, unless inconsistent with the context thereon, these are the common words, right, include their heirs, representative, administrator, executor, assignee. What is this? Simple meaning. Baba, I am selling. Me means me, my wife, my children, whoever may be on behalf of me claiming, all are selling to you. Tomorrow, me, my children, my mother, my somebody cannot claim against you. Similarly, you are purchasing means you, your sons, your children, your family members, exactly, everybody. That is the meaning. That is the meaning of this para. The expression vendors and purchaser, vendor means seller, yes, na, because only husband I kept, wife I missed. Right? Shall, unless inconsistent with the context thereof, means if they say only myself, I am not bothering about my brothers and my sisters, I guess generally nobody will say. Meaning, include myself, my heirs, my representatives, my administrators, my executors, my assignees, whoever may be. Entire my Khandan. Understood? Me means. Meaning is, I am selling means on behalf of me, nobody will come and ask you, only my brother sold, not me, like that, no. My title, I am selling. That is the meaning of that word, common, we have to write. Whereas, started, recital, narrative recital. Whereas, vendors, sellers. Owners of the possession of a property named so and so, we are fully described in schedule parcel and schedule. In schedule, details, boundaries and everything I will tell you. Like that we started. I am the owner of the property. Whereas said property, how I got it? I am telling you. Originally belonged to that Venugopal Rao sir, and or belongs to my grandfather, so and so. Then I got, after my grandfather's death, my father got. After my father's death, I got. I am the owner now. That is the story. Narrative recital. How you got the property. Clear? That is the most important. Then continuation. Now finally I am the one. Whereas now we divide, same story, just it is a one pro forma. Then we, after my father, we are 3 brothers, we divided. Now I am the share, my share I am selling to you. That is the story. Why you are selling? Why you are selling? Whereas purchaser expressed his desire to purchase. So that fellow came to me, he want to purchase, so I want to sell it. Like that. Or because of my necessity, I want to sell it. Something. Why you are selling? Introductory recital. This is the terminology. You are not writing in sale deed. You are writing in sale deed only this only. This is only as an advocate we have to know it. As an advocate, because in our Viva, in our LLB exam, final year, we will ask my students, Viva examination time, we will ask, tell me what is a recital, tell me what is a receipt, what is a schedule. These are the questions we will ask them. Purpose is, after they become advocates, they will automatically know that pro forma, everything, write it. They need not remember recital, it is a schedule anyway they will write. Covenant they will write, of course. There are certain habendum, operative words, they won't use. They will write everything, but they don't use this is operative word like that. But before you are going to an advocate's office, at least you have to know these are the parts of a deed. Please. Consideration, money. After negotiation, vendor agreed to sell the spot of so and so and so and so for the valuable consideration of so and so, accordingly so and so. Consideration, how much money? Whereas at the time of execution, he gave the advance money. One thing, interest word. Please, all of you listen carefully. 3 minutes will take one interesting statement. Earnest money advance. Please listen. I don't know how many of you heard. Can you put on the light, my dear friend, if you don't mind? Please listen. I will try to complete fastly. Srinivas Rao entered an agreement with Venugopal Rao sir to purchase the property. For that, Srinivas Rao gave 60 lakhs, for example, property. Initially, Srinivas Rao gave 5 lakhs. Whether if he gives as an earnest money, try to understand. If he gives as an earnest money, meaning is, tomorrow in case Srinivas Rao unable to purchase the property, he has to forego. How many understood? I am repeating. I entered an agreement with sir. Due to some inconvenience, I am not ready to purchase the property. I have to lose the 5 lakhs rupees because it is an earnest money, meaning. If it is an advance 5 lakhs rupees, I will get back. I will take back. But this is actual meaning. But reality, what is happening, I will tell you, listen carefully. No need to confuse. Please carefully listen. Most of the people does not apply their mind. Nobody knows also. There is no any definitions like this here. What they will do, I will tell you. Listen carefully, my dear friends, please. What they will say, no. Srinivas Rao paid 5 lakhs rupees as an earnest money to Venugopal Rao, sir. Listen, all of you. Provided, if Srinivas Rao fails to purchase the property within the 6 months by paying the remaining balance of 55 lakhs, if Srinivas Rao sir failed to pay, then Srinivas Rao sir has to forego 2 lakhs rupees. They used earnest money. Listen, all of you listen. Document what we wrote. Srinivas Rao paid earnest money to Venugopal Rao sir 5 lakhs. In case Srinivas Rao sir fails to purchase the property by paying the remaining 55 lakhs rupees to Venugopal Rao sir. Srinivas Rao sir, out of 5 lakhs, 2 lakhs has to forego 5 lakhs rupees and the remaining 3 lakhs rupees Venugopal Rao sir has to pay to Srinivas Rao. Which means 2 lakhs only earnest money, 3 lakhs is advance. What you understood, Raijo? How many of you understood? Meaning now listen. Thank you very much for my dear friends. Meaning I will tell you in a simple way. Though we are writing earnest money language word, but intention when you are writing different, that is important. Heading na. How many understood? Heading is not important. What is the intention? I will tell you once again. Simple example, I will close it. Srinivas Rao paid advance to Venugopal Rao sir 5 lakhs rupees. Listen all of you. If Srinivas Rao fails to purchase the property by paying remaining balance within the 6 months, Srinivas Rao has to forego 2 lakhs. Which means, though I used 5 lakhs advance, but in fact 2 lakhs is earnest money, 3 lakhs only advance. How many understood? Thank you. That is the meaning of earnest money. Please stop it, my dear friend. If you have any doubts, please note down. After a completion, I will explain you, my dear friends. Don't worry, because my flight is tomorrow. No, don't worry. Those who are too far people can go. Those who are nearby people, they can clarify their doubts and go. For me, there is no restriction to immediately leave this college unless both Madam and Kishan sir push me out. Okay, right. Let us see. So, like this we are writing. Whereas the time of execution of agreement and preparation of an agreement, the purchaser advanced a sum of rupees 2 lakhs at the earnest money and balance amount of 3 lakhs rupees has to be paid within 6 months at which the time sale was executed. Whereas the purchaser has now paid the vendor to the total amount consideration in parts of now executing the sale. Means totally consideration we are discussing. What is the consideration? Yes. Whereas the both parties are Indian nationals, we are Indians only because our Indian law applies. That is the reason. That is the reason. Why we are writing Indian nationals? Because we both are not alien enemy. We are not aliens. Alien means foreigner. Alien enemy means if there is any war declared between our country and their country, that time that fellow becomes suddenly alien enemy. Till that time he is alien ami. Are you following? Alien ami means alien friend. Those who are foreigners in India at present all are alien ami. The moment if there is any war declared between their country and our country, that ami become enemy. Clear? When he is an alien enemy, we cannot enter any contract, he cannot file a case against us, there is no any rights and liabilities between us. That is a disqualified person according to law. That's why who is competent to enter into a contract, he must be a major, he must be a sound mind, not disqualified by any law. Who is disqualified by any law? If he become an alien enemy, disqualified. Like that. Chalo. So, now this deed of sale witnesses as under, that is testatum. In pursuance of said agreement, a consideration of the sum of rupees 5 lakh rupees per receipt of which letter means seller acknowledged the yes, I received, no separate receipt we discussed already. The vendor do hereby grant, convey, transfer, sell, assign, assure, nothing but operative words. We are using operative words, right? Parcel, that is this one. The property which is situated with all the together and so and so and so, and right where we have mentioned purchaser of the receiving the property, parcel description of the property, said property described in schedule B. We will see in schedule B like that, something we mentioned lastly. Herein together with all rights and title, what we are okay, sorry, right? So benefits free from all encumbrances, charges, liens. That is to have and hold, not compulsory, but every advocate is writing, no problem. Habendum, we are calling. Covenant, I told you already. Vendor, now you see how they are writing. Covenant that the purchaser, and I am telling to my purchaser, that they are absolute owners, thereby sold, and have a full authority to transfer. I have full authority to transfer, right? And further, they indemnify the purchaser against any other person or persons who may prove a better title. Means, Baba, I am selling you. I have a better title. Tomorrow, my sister or my brother or anybody on my side comes and challenges you. I will take care. Don't worry. I will be responsible. I am indemnifying you. I am indemnifying you. I will protect you. I will save you. Tomorrow my brother or my sister or my father or my brother or somebody comes and challenges that my title is not correct, I will be responsible. I am giving a covenant. That is a covenant. Yes, sir. Now the deed of sale witnesses as under. Witnesseth. Correct. What you are saying, sir, please?
Witnesses who are there. They are witnessing this matter.
Actually, no, sir. Very good. Very good. I understood. Excellent. What sir asked, please listen. You use the word now the witnesses means whether witnesses has to read this para. No. We are telling this document witnessing that. This document witnessing that, this following. That is only meaning witnesses no need to know perfectly. Which means, I will tell you, parties who are signing, we are witnessing this document. Witnesses are signing only our signature. Already I told you. Please remember what sir asked is, because we used the word, now this deed of sale witness, please, meaning is, Baba, this sale deed says this. That is the witness meaning. This sale deed says this. That is the meaning. Clear, sir? Not the witnesses. Clear? Clear, my dear friends. Sale deed says this. Any question? Thank you. Right. Yes. Assures that this already I told you. And I am assuring you, you can peacefully enjoy. I told you 4 covenants. Covenant for a title, covenant for peaceful enjoyment, both are over. Covenant for nil encumbrance means I don't have any mortgages, I don't have any charge on my property, no loans, nothing on my property. Property hereby sold is not a subject matter of any previously existing charge or mortgage, and as such free from all encumbrances. Right? Last one is future assurance. Vendor shall at the cost of vendee means, Baba, I am selling you. Tomorrow if you need my signature, any place, I will come. You come, you take me. Which office? Collector office? I will come. Our Tahsildar office? What is that? MRO office? I will come. Wherever you want, I will come and I will sign. Don't worry. I am giving assurance, future assurance. That is the main.